Happy Thanksgiving! I'm Amy, and today I'm making a pumpkin dump cake. This is a really easy recipe that combines pumpkin, evaporated milk, sugar, and spices with a yellow cake mix sprinkled on top. It makes a really yummy dessert for Thanksgiving or any time. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and take a 9x13 baking pan and spray it with nonstick cooking spray, and then set it aside. Now chop enough pecans to make 1 cup and then set them aside. In a bowl, add 1 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin, 10 ounces of evaporated milk, a half a cup of granulated sugar, a half a cup of brown sugar, 3 large eggs, and 3 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Now stir this together until it's well combined. Now pour the mixture into your prepared pan. Then take 1 box of yellow cake mix, or you could use homemade, and evenly sprinkle it on top. Then sprinkle on your chopped pecans. Next, evenly pour on 1 cup of butter melted. Now bake in the oven for about 45 minutes or until the center sets up. Then remove from oven and place it onto a wire rack. Once it's cooled down some, you can drizzle on some caramel ice cream topping. And here it is, pumpkin dump cake. Now this is best served warm. And be sure to store this in the refrigerator, but make sure you reheat it before serving. Now this is great topped with some vanilla ice cream. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynskitchen.com, and you can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. Happy Thanksgiving! Today I'm making a pumpkin bump cake. Once it's cooled down some, you can drizzle on some caramel ice cream syrup topping. Once it's cooled down, you can Once it's cooled down, you can drizzle on some caramel ice cream topping. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I can't get this straight. I can't hold this straight. What is wrong? I cannot hold this straight. This is gonna melt. This ice cream is gonna melt before I get done. I can't laugh. Now this is really great with some vanilla. Let's try this.